Delightful. Good evening, sir. My tech talk title is Introduction to Python. So, first of all, what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is used for web development, server side software development, mathematics, system scripting. What is Python do? Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping of or for production ready software development. Why Python? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry, Raspberry Pi, etc. Python and a simple syntax similar to English language. Python has a syntax as far as allows developers to write programs with for a fewer lines than some other programming languages. Python runs on a interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it written. This means what prototyping prototyping can be a very quick. Python can be treated in a phototypical way, an object oriented way, or functional way. Good to know. The most recent major version of Python is 3 we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2 all of not being updated with anything other than security updates is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. It is possible to write Python in an integrated development equipment such as a Thony, Python, NetBeans, or Ellipse, which are particularly useful when meaning larger collections of Python files. Python syntax compared to other programming languages. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with the influence from mathematics. Python uses new lines to complete a command as opposite to other programming languages which often use simulations parameters. Python relies on indication using witness space the defined scope of such as the scope of loops, functions and classes. Other programming languages often use purely brackets for this purpose. Example: print hello world. Okay. Table of contents. Introduction, data types, control statements, function out input output, errors and expectations, data types, object oriented programming, models and packages, advanced techniques, tools, regular expressions, optional, summary and outlook. Okay. Table of contents, data types, control systems, functions, input output, errors and expectations, and etc. What is Python? The dynamic programming language which supports several different programming paradigms: procedural programming, object-oriented programming, functional programming. Standard Python bytecode is executed in the Python interpreter similar to Java. Platform independent code. Why Python? Extremely versatile language. Website development, data analysis, server maintenance, numerical analysis, syntax clear, easy to read and learn, almost procedure code, common language, intuit, object oriented programming, full modularity, hierarchical packages, compressors and standard library for any tasks, big community and focus. Web community and process community is C++ and Java and 4. Then focus on programming versus a history of management is straight strictness and between two or more than number of members prestigious and start implementation with the decoder 1989 with video and resume. CWY start 16/10/2000 Python 2.0 ungrade of explanation of all more than Python programming stations is a very requirement of programs, and we have to download the Python programming app. So any doubts on Python programming languages app, so please download it, my request. Start implementation decoder by 1988 of controls in Python. Gen of Python. So 20 software principles that influence the religion of Python. Beautiful or better than UGD and propagations and better example of Python. Special case does not special enough on forces of would like to other better and compressible and not written to test of my Python programming languages. So is and written to connect on the beautiful and most of most of the conventions is control the reliability of errors and should pass silently unless exponentially of passed. Is Python fast enough for the user programs? Python fast enough? Most parts of are written in C. For complete inverse assignment of code in C and C++, most like this Python implementations. Okay, first analysis, then optimize. Hello world. Example hash /usr bin nu python 3 print hello world. Python 3 hello world by hello world. Strong and dynamic typing. Strong and dynamic typing is object is of externally one's type a string always, string integer always, and internal complements of PHP JOS and shall be interpreted of short put and long put and arrives a more than compressibilities of believing of any dynamic potential of protecting Python project if when will be control of the object is very highly and whatever the purpose in Python programs is logical and unlogical in thinking output and input variations. Python is very step by step process is not always allowing that the process is called a Python dynamic typing. No variable declaration. Variable means can be assigned different one form to another form is very truly that analyze the propagations. Duck typing, and when the Caesar walks on duck and like duck is duck call is duck square. Example strong and dynamic typing. Example is see the figure 1 /usr bin env python 3 number equal to 3 print number type number of analysis is very low of print number plus 42 number equal to 3 print number type number print number plus 42. Here protections of examples is very low, 3 less int 45 3 less than C less star track book most recent call file type by 11b and 12b and control distance of Python programming languages. So finally we have to show friends, Python is a very simple and programming language. This Python programming implementing on Guido van Rossum is implements on 1991. Python is simple programming languages. Python is a different platforms like Windows, ROS, ROC, NIC, etc. So it like a Python is very simplematic and programmatic and languages. It is converted into all other languages, so easy language. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity.